Hi, have you heard of this term called RPA, Robotic Process Automation? Do you want to find out more about RPA and how is it related to your workforce creativity? If yes, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Dixon, and today in this video I'm going to share with you what is RPA and why having an RPA in place, right, is not automatically generate workforce creativity, and you got to do something so that you can take full advantage of the RPA, right, so that you can drive your workforce creativity. And a lot of people asking me, hey, why you want to talk about RPA today? Actually, RPA is an increasingly hot topics, and a lot of people searching for RPA certification, a lot of people searching for RPA tutorial, a lot of people searching for RPA courses. So the interest of RPA in the business world, right, is getting higher and higher. But a lot of people may think that, oh, with RPA in place, and also with other technologies like AI in place, my workforce creativity should be improved, right? Because most of the standardized processing work will be done by RPA, right? That's actually not true, because if you want to drive your workforce creativity, right, you need to put in some effort. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you three things that you can do to fully take advantage of this RPA implementation so that you can move your workforce, right, towards the creative output. So what are these three things? The first thing is what I call the individual mindset. You have to educate your workforce that to embrace a why not mindset, right? To embrace this mindset of why not, right? Think out of the box, be creative, try new things. You need them to say why not rather than cannot. So that's the first thing, mindset. Number two is what I call infrastructure. Right? By saying infrastructure, I'm not talking about the IT infrastructure, but here I'm talking about the culture, the environment, the way you do things in your organization. So for example, you as a leader, right, did you manage to create a safe environment for people to experiment and learn new things? As a leader, did you create conducive environment so that every single person in your team is willing to put forward and ideas without being fear of being judged? So that is something what I call the infrastructure. You need to provide an environment conducive to workforce creativity. And last but not least is what I call ideas. Right? Ideas. That means you need to empower your workforce with a lot of different tools to generate creative ideas so that they feel more at ease, right, in terms of generating new ideas for your new products, new services, and new processes. So in summary, I call it the 3I, right? Individual mindset, infrastructure, and ideas. And this 3I model is also something what I talk in my book, Leadership for Future of Work, 9 Ways to Build Career Edge Over Robots with Human Creativity. So in summary, what's my message to you? Right? RPA is just first step, right, towards the future of work or future of business. By having the RPA in place does not necessarily mean your workforce will be shifted to creative output automatically. You need to drive it. You need to drive the workforce creativity by using the 3I model I talk about: individual mindset, infrastructure, and ideas. So I hope this video sharing is something useful for you, and embrace RPA, embrace workforce creativity. Cheers.